Hi guys, it is me Darcy and I'm really excited for this video because I am doing an eating show with corned beef hash, with chips and sweet chili sauce from McDonald's. This is what it looks like. That is very nice. Also, I got a little bit of honey. Sorry, I have a twin sister and she eats the same when I am. Mother, Daddy, stop it! That's better. So let's get started. And for my drink, I've got Coke Zero. Sorry, my little sister begged me to put Super Monsters on. So I did, and she's gone. Want some? Let's go, girl. And this is what my meal looks like. And this golden bit is sweet chili, and then there's the circle chip, and it looks absolutely.
What's your superpower? I don't know. Well, what do you know? I know she's here. She's coming up the steps with Igor.
Why don't you come inside and say hello to everyone?
I'm gonna end this vlog very quickly. So bye guys, and don't forget to comment down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. For tea we're having curry and pizza with my auntie and my cousin, so I'll post that. I will post that video later on, and I will give it, and I will comment it down below. Bye.